It's 212 days until the London Marathon, and this is my go-to recipe for this month for fat loss and a full belly. So this is by far the most useful recipe I've used over the last month. It's completely versatile, so you can add whatever veggies, protein or carbs to it, depending on what it is you need. It's also low fat, totally filling, and most importantly, delicious. So the base is a broth based on a Vietnamese pho recipe. And it's this bit that not only makes it delicious, but it means that you can cook a load of the broth ahead and freeze it. And then you've got it ready to cook whatever it is you want to use in your end result. You need good chicken or vegetable stock. I'm using 500 millilitres of chicken stock, so this will be plenty for at least 4 really big bowls. And then adding 250 millilitres of water and putting it on the stove to come up to a simmer. So you need about 4 cloves, 4 whole star anise, 2 tablespoons of coriander seed, and then you just toast them in a dry hot pan until you can smell a bit of the aroma. Burning does not count as aroma. If it's burnt, you're going to have to start again. But really, you should smell some of the toasted spices. And then all you do is tip the spices into your warming stock. So take about 3 centimetres of ginger, slice it, 4 cloves of garlic, peeled and sliced, 2 fresh lemongrass, take off the hard bit on the outside, roughly slice it, a whole chilli or however many you like if you like it hot. So toast these in the same pan you toasted the spices for a few minutes, then add to your broth mix. And that's actually your broth mix done. You just simmer it gently now for about half an hour to concentrate all the flavours. Drain it through a sieve to remove all the bits, and voila! One of the most delicious bases for a broth I've ever tasted, and you've got plenty here to freeze. So when it comes time to use your broth, you can go ahead and add whatever it is that you fancy. So if you're tracking your carbs, fat and protein, and you've got a bit of an imbalance, you can make this bowl the balance at the end of the day. Or, obviously, just add your favourite ingredients. So I'm adding leeks, broccoli, whole wheat noodles, and some pre-cooked chicken. And you can treat your broth like a cooking liquid and add your ingredients and simmer till cooked. So all the vitamins that normally come out in a cooking liquid stay in your broth. So just pouring it into a bowl, and you can garnish it. So I've got some coriander. I love coriander. I've chopped some peanuts and I squeeze lime over it. Great vitamin C. But again, you can do anything you like with this. It's such a brilliant dish. Just enjoy making it. And wish me luck. Only 212 days to go.